how to check who's using your Wi-Fi in your house. Very simple process. All you really need to do is download an app. So you want to go into your Play Store, and then you want to type in the name of the app is Fing. Type it in, or write it in there, and then in this case I already installed it. So all you really have to do is install it, and then you'll have the option to open it. Now this tutorial is actually only for Android. So let's but I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing too. I believe the app is available on Apple phones as well. But so you download this app, you open it, and it's it starts asking you questions and whatnot. So it's gonna tell you what device is. It's gonna tell you your network name right on top. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on top here, and it's gonna show you all the devices that you're using here. In this case, I'm just using a doorbell, and I'm actually just using two doorbells in this house. So it's gonna show two generics, but the ARRIS, I believe, was ARRIS. That's actually a router in the house. The Pixel 6, which is the phone that I'm using here in this for the tutorial. I also have a Den display, which is by Google, a television, and it even tells you the brand on the right side. I don't know if you can see on the right side over here. And that's pretty much it. If you don't see anything that you don't, if you see on this list that there's something that you don't recognize, then you definitely want to check it out, change your password. Maybe somebody has your password and is using it. So this is a good way to tell. I also have the link for the app on the description of this video, just to help you guys out. Signing off, this is Eli. Take care, folks.